And to begin this process, we're going to brown some hamburger and some sausage on the griddle that we're going to then top our taco pizza. So we'll just break that up. Now some sausage. Should not take long for this hamburger and the sausage to brown up. Of course, you can use whatever you like. Full disclosure, this is a lot of what I have left in the house. And this looks like it might be one of our last days out here on the Catio before the weather changes, which it eventually will. Well, we're going to take full advantage. That's brown up. That's Chipotle. Seasoning. There we go. Let that cook up. Now we did not put any oil down. That burger and the sausage should coat it plenty. There we go. And in the meantime, we have our pizza oven heating up. Let's grab it. Turn off the griddle. We are now done with the griddle. Turn it off. And we are going to move over to the pizza oven. We are now at the work table. We have our pizza crust. And we are going to start off with some cheese dip, quite possibly. Now, on top of that, we're going to add the sausage and the onion that we just prepared. And we're going to move those around, cover the pizza. Thought I had a lot. I do have a lot, but it's, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now, on top of that, we're going to add some Mexican cheese. There we go. Covered that in Mexican cheese. Oh, that looks yummy. All right. Here we have have our sausage and hamburger covered in chipotle seasoning and hit it again. Before we put onions, and there, that pizza is ready to fire. The pizza stone should be perfect. Fire this baby. It should not take too long. Now the solo stove has all the flame toward the back. So what we really want to do is so that it doesn't get burnt on one side. We are looking here for the cheese to melt, to crisp up. And at 650 degrees in the solo stove pizza oven, that didn't take very long. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes at the absolute most. Keep turning it. And there we can see it's getting done on this side. So we'll try to turn that. See what that other side looks like now. Not yet. Once that cheese starts to bubble, now let's look at the bottom. Oh, that's getting there. Let that bottom nice and crisp. It does not take that long. The top does not need any more. I think we're ready to take this out. We will put it back on our pizza. And I'm going to turn this back up. The way to clean a pizza stone is to turn the heat all the way up. And that black part that's singed on there will just brush right off. We are back over at the prep table now, ready to add our final touches. We have some tomatoes. Can't forget the tomatoes. Love the tomatoes. Some onions. And the onions we've already done. Some lettuce. What would a taco pizza be like without salsa? And there we have our delicious taco pizza. Thanks for joining us. Everyone have a happy new year, and we will see you next time.